You're probably harvesting radishes wrong. Radishes are one of the fastest crops you can grow, but most gardeners lose time, damage their plants, or miss the perfect harvest window. Pull too hard and the tops snap. Wait too long and they turn woody and bitter. Harvest too early and they're tiny and disappointing. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and most efficient way to harvest radishes so you get clean, crisp roots every time. Whether you're growing radishes in pots, raised beds, or a backyard garden, these methods will help you harvest more in less time with less effort and better results. Harvesting radishes seems simple, but there's more to it than just pulling them from the soil. The right timing, soil condition, and technique can completely change your harvest speed and quality. If you've ever struggled with broken greens, stuck roots, or uneven radish sizes, you're not alone. Many gardeners make small mistakes that slow them down and reduce their yield. Today, I'll walk you through the most efficient ways to harvest radishes, explain the common problems, and show you a fast system that makes harvesting smooth, easy, and satisfying. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is pulling radishes straight out of compacted soil. When the soil is hard or dry, the greens break off easily, leaving the radish buried underground. This wastes time and damages the plant. Another common issue is poor timing. Radishes grow quickly, but they don't stay tender forever. If you forget to harvest on time, they become tough, woody, hollow inside, and overly spicy. Many gardeners wait too long, thinking bigger is better, but radishes are best when they're young and crisp. Uneven harvesting is another problem. Pulling random radishes instead of following a system leaves uneven spacing in the garden bed. This slows down harvesting and can disturb nearby plants that still need time to grow. Finally, many gardeners harvest one by one without preparation. Without loosening soil or organizing their approach, harvesting becomes slow and tiring. Instead of enjoying the process, it becomes frustrating. These mistakes reduce your yield, waste your time, and make your garden less productive. But with the right techniques, harvesting radishes can be fast, clean, and incredibly satisfying.
Exploration/development. The first fast technique is loosening the soil before pulling. Use your fingers or a small garden tool to gently lift the soil around the radish. This releases the root and prevents the greens from breaking. Once the soil is loose, the radish slides out easily. The second technique is harvesting in sections. Instead of pulling randomly, move row by row or section by section. This creates a steady rhythm and keeps your garden bed organized. It also saves time because you're not searching for mature radishes. The third technique is the twist and lift method. Instead of pulling straight up, gently twist the radish and lift it at a slight angle. This breaks the soil's grip on the root and makes harvesting effortless, especially in heavier soil. When you combine these techniques, harvesting becomes faster, smoother, and less tiring. You'll spend less time struggling and more time enjoying your harvest. Now let's compare traditional harvesting with these fast methods. With the old way, pulling straight up often breaks the greens, leaves roots behind, and slows you down. You spend extra time digging and searching for mature radishes. With the fast method, you loosen the soil, twist, and lift. Each radish comes out clean and full. You move through the bed in a steady flow, filling your basket quickly. In the same amount of time, you can harvest twice as many radishes with less effort. The roots are cleaner, the plants are healthier, and your garden looks organized and productive. This simple change in technique can completely transform your harvest routine and save you valuable time in the garden. Harvesting radishes doesn't have to be slow, messy, or frustrating. By loosening the soil, harvesting in organized sections, and using a gentle twist and lift motion, you can harvest faster and protect your plants. These methods help you get the best quality radishes, crisp, tender, and full of flavor. They also create space in your garden for new crops, keeping your beds productive throughout the season.
Radishes are one of the easiest and fastest crops to grow, and harvesting them should be just as simple. With the right approach, you'll enjoy a smooth, efficient harvest and a basket full of fresh radishes for your kitchen. Try these fast radish harvesting methods in your garden and see the difference for yourself. Share your results and any tips you use in the comments. If you want more simple gardening hacks and step-by-step growing guides, subscribe to the channel and stay connected for the next video.